how to fix Minecraft crashing. So here's what you want to do. I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, you want to search for add or remove programs. From the list of applications here, we're just going to search for Minecraft, and you want to find Minecraft. Click on the three dots, then go into advanced options, and you will just repair this. So click on repair. Now, once you have done this, go back. Again, we're going to search for Minecraft, and you want to find the Minecraft launcher this time. And again, you will click on repair. All right, so see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't, you can open up your computer search and search for graphics settings. Now, right here, you will search for Minecraft, find Minecraft, click on the arrow here, and GPU preference, you want to set this to high performance with your video card. All right, and if you have done this, the last thing that I can suggest doing is opening up search, type run, and here you will type this app data, percentage, app data, percentage. Okay, you want to find Minecraft, and here in the mods folder, you want to delete mods one by one and see if that fixes the issue, because Minecraft crashes because of mods sometimes. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.